Assalamualaikum. Today let's do peri-peri chicken in skewers with butter sauce. Bismillah. First we cut our chicken thighs into strips and set aside. Now we will going to char 1 pimientos as part of our marinade, guys. After charring, we will going to put it in the polythene bag for a rest for an easy peel. This is our clean and charred pimientos. To our food processor, pimientos in. 2 cut red chili, 1 small red onion, some basil leaves, 5 cloves of garlic, white vinegar, juice of 1 lemon, olive oil, some spices, and I will going to write down to you guys to on description. Little water. Grind to a smooth paste. This is our marinade, guys. We will going to set aside half of it for later use. Now we will going to marinate our chicken thighs to the half of our sauce. With your clean hand, you massage it and set aside for about 15 minutes. Now it's time for our chicken to be skewed, guys, for grilling. To our hot griller, we grilled our chicken. We grill it, guys, about 8 minutes each side. Our grilled chicken, guys, done. Now for our sauce, we put our remaining to our hot skillet. We put some more butter, about 2 tablespoons, about tablespoon of Kipi mayo, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir well until well combined. Our sauce done. For our assembly, some spring onion on top, some sauce. Enjoy.